How to write education. Although there is not any specific method of writing education in a resume or CV, but as per the organization named the Forage, it would be preferable if you write it in the following way: name of the degree, like Masters of Arts, then comma, and then write the words major, then colon, and after colon, name of the major, comma, then use the words minor, colon, name of minor, comma, the year it was completed or expected year of completion, then final GPA in the next line. You can also see the sample: Masters of Arts, major Mass Communication, minor Psychology, University of somewhere. It could be any university or college where you are studying. Then year of a completion, and then there is a GPA in the next line. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can always ask. We will appreciate.